Welcome to Beautyistic, your go-to channel for all things beauty and wellness. If you're into taking your skincare routine to the next level, today's review is something you'll love. We're diving into the NanoSteamer Large 3-in-1 Nano Ionic Facial Steamer. This is a steamer that's been getting quite a bit of buzz, and for good reason. It promises to do everything from unclogging pores and eliminating blackheads to acting as a humidifier and towel warmer. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. Let's start with the basics. The NanoSteamer is a multifunctional device designed to provide 3 essential beauty and wellness functions. First, it's a Nano Ionic Facial Steamer, which works by combining a conventional heating element with an ultrasonic vaporizer. This fusion generates nano steam with negatively charged ionic particles, which can penetrate the skin up to 10 times more effectively than regular steam. So it's not just your average facial steamer. It's designed to get deep into your pores to unclog them, leaving your skin looking fresh and radiant. The second function is a room humidifier, which is perfect for those dry, cold winter months or anytime you need to add moisture to your space. And if you're a fan of warm towels, the NanoSteamer even has a towel warming function, providing a spa-like experience from the comfort of your home. The NanoSteamer features a large 200 milliliter water tank, which gives you up to 30 minutes of steaming time, and it operates completely silently. This is a big deal for those who find noisy devices distracting or unpleasant during their beauty routines. Plus, it includes an auto shutoff sensor that powers the device down when the water runs out. This ensures safety and prevents any damage. But that's not all. The NanoSteamer comes with a bonus 5-piece stainless steel skin kit, which is a fantastic addition. This kit includes precise blackhead and blemish extractor tools, so after your steaming session, you can easily follow up with these instruments to clear away impurities and perfect your skin. Now, I've had a chance to test this out, and here's what I found. Setting up the NanoSteamer is incredibly easy. Just fill the tank with water, turn it on, and select your desired function. Whether I was using it as a facial steamer, humidifier, or towel warmer, the NanoSteamer performed as expected. The steam was fine and gentle, yet powerful enough to leave my skin feeling hydrated and refreshed. I especially love the inclusion of the stainless steel kit. After a good steam, using the tools to remove blackheads was super efficient and satisfying. Let's talk pros and cons. On the positive side, the NanoSteamer is a solid, well-built device that provides a professional-grade steaming experience right at home. The versatility of having a steamer, humidifier, and towel warmer in one is a major advantage for people who love multifunctional devices. It's also really quiet, which is something I appreciate. The long runtime of 30 minutes means you can get a thorough treatment without having to constantly refill the water tank. And the bonus skin kit? A definite perk. As for cons, I do think the 30-minute runtime might be too short for some people who like to have longer spa sessions. While it's great for a quick skincare routine, if you're someone who likes to indulge in a longer treatment, you may find the need to refill the tank mid-session. Another minor drawback could be the size of the unit. While it's perfectly sized for most vanities, it may be a bit bulky for those with limited countertop space. In terms of value for money, the NanoSteamer is an excellent investment. It combines multiple functions into one device, and the bonus skin kit adds even more value. Compared to similar products on the market, this one stands out for its high-performance steam, silent operation, and long running time. Plus, the added bonus of the stainless steel tools really sets it apart from others. When comparing it to similar products, the NanoSteamer offers a much larger water tank and longer steaming time than most. You might find some less expensive options, but they often come with fewer features or smaller capacities. For those who want a high-quality, multifunctional beauty device, the NanoSteamer is definitely worth considering. Build quality is top-notch, and the device feels sturdy without being too heavy. The materials used are durable, ensuring that it will last through many skincare sessions. Since I've only been using it for a short time, I can't speak to long-term durability, but based on its construction, it looks promising. Customer support, in my experience, has been responsive and helpful. The brand has a good reputation for providing support when needed, and and I found their contact information easy to access. If you're looking for alternatives, you can consider other facial steamers like the Pure Daily Care Ultimate, which offers similar features but at a higher price point. If you're willing to spend a bit more, there are some luxury options available, but for the price, the NanoSteamer is a solid choice. To wrap it up, the NanoSteamer Large 3-in-1 Nano Ionic Facial Steamer is an excellent addition to any skincare routine. It offers great value for its price, especially with the included 5-piece skin kit, and its multifunctionality makes it a versatile tool for beauty and wellness. While the runtime might not be for everyone, it's still a fantastic product that delivers on its promises. I highly recommend it if you're looking to elevate your skincare game. Before you go, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Beautyistic, and tap the bell icon to stay updated on all things beauty. If you've used the NanoSteamer, drop a comment below and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep your beauty routine as refreshing as a steamy spa day with Beautyistic.